to create cost center, go to create, then show more. But here you can see cost centers are not visible because they are inactive. So show inactive, and then you can find that cost centers are inactive. So we need to create new. Here I am first creating cost category. My cost category is say rent, then save. Now I'm going to create cost center under rent. So I've selected rent as category, and my cost centers are go down, factory, and office. Now here you can see that 3 cost centers have been created under the category rent.